Hello, this is a tutorial for my simple but cool Lego puzzle box 2 called Danger, I think. Yes. So 6x8 base and smooth pieces here. Then 6x1. I'm not in the mood for weirdo, but I want to be weird. That is who cares? So then a 6x1 and a 4x1, and you wanna put it here. Then a 2x4 and smooth pieces. And 2 6x1s, and then a 4x2 and smooth pieces. Like that. And 2 1x2s, 3x1 here, smooth pieces. If you wanna do some pattern, do like I do. These can be black if you have black here. I don't know why I used that. First it was red, but I changed yeah. This isn't funny at all. Funny. Okay. We're gonna take one of these pieces, and here are 1x1 smooth and 2 1x1s on top of each other. Then a 2x1, 2x1 and smooth pieces. Put them together and fill this hole here. You know what I mean. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Yeah, you do. Okay, so this piece which will be here is just a 3x1, 2x1 smooth, 1x1, 1x1 smooth, and 1x1 here. Simple as that. You might think, well, you might do like that, but actually I don't, because first this was something I had to build something here, but then oh, you don't. So yeah, that was great. I know something we can put in the box later on. I'm sorry, can you hear me? I hope so. If not, you can see or just turn on some music. Onto the tutorial. Sorry for my weird delay. Okay, take that out for a second. Then take a 2x2. Here's a 1x2 smooth, 4x1. And here you wanna put it. And then 1x2, 1x4, and this 8x1 smooth. The best thing is if you have actually 2 8x1s, but you could use 2 4x1s or less. I don't know how you wanna do it. Yes. So when you put this here, and then you put this down, and then you go. No, I can't wait for Christmas. I want Christmas now, or Xmas if someone saying like that. Okay, that there, and now it's actually hard to do like that. With some more things over here. However, let's go let's keep going. Okay, we wanna put this piece here which is slide, and I'm gonna reveal a new technique which I used in my 199th video. It was halv down, like a puzzle box halv down. It actually means something like half good, or yeah, you know, so. Okay, so how I use these two, cause it's kind of like a 2x1 smooth piece, but you can stick it under other pieces, which is great, because if you would have originally smooth pieces here, you would have to build something down, and if this would be the smooth piece about here, and then piece here, and then this up, so you save some space. It's great. So you need two of these, and it's 8x2. Here's two 2x1s, and two 1x1s. Here's is I show you later. So then a 1x2 and these two pieces. One is gonna point there and one there. You wanna put it on the fourth line here, if you know what I mean. And then this is on the third line from here. So you can see under here is for this, and on there is for this. So you just slide it in like that, and you can't pull out. It's nice and steady like that, and this piece slides under there and blocks to this too, so you can't slide it. So you need to pull it out before you can slide it. Hope you understand. Now we'll do it. Okay, we take the door piece first. So two 6x1s edge or something like that, and 1x1, and then you take this piece again, put it on, and you want wait. Well, you can put it on, and then two 1x2s here. You wanna build a hook, kind of a hook, 4x1, 2x1 smooth, 2x1 smooth, and here's 2x1 and a 1x1. Put it on like this. Make this more stable. If you want, you can put another 2x1, so it can touch the floor. Maybe some stability or something. Do what you want. And you wanna put it here, and a 1x4 and a 2x1, and here you wanna put 4x1. So when this is slide out, you can slide. Okay, I hope you can see. However, this hooks that piece. I can show you. I take the piece out. Okay, so this is like this. You slide that, you can pull it out. So for the last piece here, you need a 6x1, 2x4, 1x4, and put some smooth pieces here, or a smooth piece, depends on how you want it to look. And you simply just want to stick it out under here, like that, and take this 1x2 another 1x8, or if you take two 1x4s, I'm gonna put it on here. Slide that like that, that and that. Okay, so that price or what you can put in, it can be money, Lego money. You can put in something like this, a little car. And you can kind of drift around this. It kind of matches this box. Although, okay, I will destroy it then, but I will save this because this is the original box which I made back then, and you could see this in my 200th video special. Now that's all, I think. Oh, this is a 11-minute video. Cool. Okay, here we go. Bye. Enjoy.